Alright, we got ourselves a pretty good sized Bambi now. It's lost its white spots. Skittish nonetheless. Mama's headed across the road and off to the races. No? What are we doing? Mama's the other way. Where are you going? Let's check in with the mother. Crossing the road. Headed to the Lutheran church. I have no idea why that person just honked. Yep. You left your baby behind. Good job. Sorry for the being off camera. Gotta dodge some leaves and branches. Yeah, you just left your Bambi behind. Where are we going? Zoom in a little more. Doing a little deer trot. And off she goes, guys. Take care.